All right, birds, it's time to go to bed. I know y'all want to stay out all night, but there's raccoons and coyotes and everything else that wants to eat chicken. You gonna peck me? Oh, come on. Let's go to bed. Come on. Come on. Yep, there he goes. You gonna peck me? You kind of aggressive, man. Well, come on. I'm probably gonna have to pick up every single one of them. All right. Here. You know what? You follow me. You gotta go to bed. Come on. Come on. Let's go to bed. No, you're going the wrong way, buddy. You're going the wrong way. Come on. I need to get the leaf blower out here. Leaf blower's pretty good at herding these birds. They're almost ready almost ready for harvest. I'm gonna extend them out a little bit longer though, so they get a little bit bigger. But I know some of them, they're probably at least 5 pounds by now, maybe up to 8. Like he might be at least 6 pounds or so. But I don't know about doing Pioneer broilers anymore. I do like the Cornish crosses because they don't really fight, but these ones, they definitely do fight. All right, birds, let's go to bed. See if I can soothe them over here. Come on, birds. Go to your coops. Go to your coops. Come on. Let's go to your coops.